Today I'm going to do an oil change on a 2005 Suzuki Vinson. My carburetor flooded the airbox got full of gas, went into the engine, past the cylinders, so now I gotta replace the oil. Anyways, so what you're gonna do, I'm on the right hand side of the bike, it doesn't matter if you're on the right or left hand side. Underneath is where your drain plug is at. So make sure before you drain it that you've got all of your fluids and that you got your fill hole, which is on the other side of the bike, and then you can loosen up your air filter. That way you're not draining it and then not being able to move it at all. So underneath here, you're gonna come under here. I've already got my drain bucket right here. Before you get there, right here is where the drain plug is at. I already kind of loosened it by hand, or sorry, with my ratchet. The manual says 17 millimeter, but I needed a 13/16, I believe, which shows to me that the guy before me probably stripped out something or got the right thing or not. So you're gonna take, and I already loosened it up. Now I should be able to do it by hand. So once you do this, it's gonna come pouring out. Make sure your drain bucket is ready. Sorry, it's kind of hard with one hand. All right, so I'm gonna unscrew this and it'll come pouring out. I can already feel it kind of running down my glove. So you can see how watery mine is. Should not be like that because it's mixed with gas. Normally it's gonna come out there a little bit blacker than that. Kind of coming to an end. Like I said, it should come out a little milkier than that side, a little more sappy than that. It should come out like oil does, not busting out of there like water leaking out of it. And then what you're gonna do after this gets done, take your drain plug and then you're gonna just put it back in there. After you've done that, you're going to take and you're gonna undo your oil filter, which is right there. I've already loosened mine up a little bit because mine had a ton of gas in it. I don't want to think about using it. I wouldn't reuse it anyways if I were you. What you're gonna do, you get some oil and you're gonna rub it around the gasket like that, and then you're gonna take and just thread this back on. Do it hand tight. Hand tight. And then you're gonna get your filter wrench and then do it a quarter turn tighter just to make sure that it stays on there. After you've replaced your drain plug up under there, you're gonna come to the right-hand side of the machine and your fill plug right down there, that little black thing. You're gonna take and you're gonna get a funnel and you're gonna fill that up to, I think it's 2.8 quarts. Make sure you're looking at your specs. You can look up your machine online. But that's what this one says it is. So once you've filled that up, I think you should be good to go. If you have any questions, let me know.